Guys, I'm inside the Python Temple. So guys, it's Onion Gem again, and right now I'm in a snake temple, guys. So the entrance of this place is 1000 sefa without picture or video, but if you want to take picture, want to take video, you'll be paying 5000 sefa. That is the amount they're collecting from my hand, 5000 sefa, just to do video, you know, take my time to do video and the rest. So guys, this is Snake Temple in Ouidah. So I'm going to be showing you everything that you need to know about Snake Temple, and you know, with the tour guide, the tour guide in Snake Temple, I believe is going to be telling us few story about the Snake Temple. So guys, sit back and enjoy yourself. Please do not forget to subscribe to Onion Gem TV. Thank you.
This is the Temple of Python, and this temple is more than 800 years old. People of this locality, they worship the royal Python divinity. The divinity is inside of this sanctuary. This kind of a python is a harmless snake, no fang, no venom, therefore it cannot bite. It's a kind of snake. The worshippers, they have 10 scars on the face, 2 in the forehead, 2 on each temple, 2 on each cheek. They make those scars to them 3 months after the birth. Why? Because when we take the head of a python, we can see 10 small holes, 5 this side and 5 others to see this side. Look at the head of a python, you see the small holes there, and the second side too. That means the 10 scars on the worshipper's face. 5. Inside this heart, which is the heart of a python, we have about 100 pythons alive. The python, they eat them once in a month because they are too weak to digest. The python, they eat them once in the month because they have 3 years to digest. They drink every day, every time. They change the skin every 2 months if they are old, if they are young, and they change the skin every month if they are old. The name of the royal python in local language, they call it tangway. Naturally, the male is shorter than the female. The life duration of the python is 40 years to 50 years. After passing, there, that's the door of the graveyard. They bury them like human beings because they put it in small coffin or small pot. After burying them, they make a ceremony to the divinity for the incarnation of the soul. Apart the divinity python we have in this temple, we have also the divinity Iki Woko Luwere, and of the divinity Ogun, which is the god of iron and god of war. Thanks, brother.
They said before I touch the snake, I must wash my hands, pull my shoe before going inside or touching the snake. That is their culture and tradition, and we must respect it, guys. So this is my tour guide. Come on, guys.